Alright guys, a short review of a Haylou Solar or a Haylou LS05. I got this watch from a Chinese website JD.com, which called Ding Dong in Chinese, for 186 yuan. I've been using them for almost 2 weeks right now, and as you can see, there is still 30% of battery left. The producer claims 30 days on one charge, which is great. The screen is bright enough, even on a sunny day, and right now I'm using it on the third level of brightness, so I can make it even brighter. It's not a super AMOLED, it's not an AMOLED screen, but still it's quite a good quality. They feel really good on your hand. It's a glass screen and a metal body, and they have a nice weight. So I use them pretty much like any other normal watch, but they have a few smart functions. So you can change the screen, just a few of them. I guess it's 5 of them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, this one is decent. Also, you can change the screen by pressing it and holding it. Alright. Okay, this one is the most informative screen because you can see the steps and the distance, also the weather. Overall, I must say that I really like them. They're definitely worth the money that I've paid for them, and they seem to be a nice accessory. For example, when I'm wearing a shirt, these watches look way better than a Xiaomi Mi Fit Band. So you can, as I've said before, you can switch the screen depending on your style and your clothes. This one is I think it's the best one. Like when it comes to information, there's a few things that you can see at the same time. So thank you guys for watching, and check out the link down below